your girl Tan.
And it's your girl Key.
And you guys are tuned into the first ever taping of
14th Avenue.
Live here at the Clubhouse.
Now let's talk fashion. Alright guys, so a couple weeks ago the groundhog did not see his shadow, which means that the district has still been dealing with rainy, wintry weather.
Yes, however, we still have a couple more weeks left until spring, so that does not mean you should not be getting your closet ready with your spring essentials.
Exactly, so today we're going to be talking about our top 3 spring looks and the top 3 spring looks that you should probably have in your closet.
Yeah,
right, Tan?
sounds like a plan.
And we're talking very basic functional pieces that you can mix and match throughout the season and that can easily transition to the summertime.
Yep.
Okay, Tan, so what's your first spring look what's your must-have first one?
I love me a good tote. I love a good tote.
When you're talking tote, you're talking like
I need a big bag.
Okay.
Like a big bag that I can hold like this. So I walk in, whether I'm through the mall, walking through brunch, no matter what. Because I'm one of those people.
We love a brunch. You know,
I love a brunch.
People love to brunch.
Okay, but I also like to keep my heels on. Sometimes I need a cute flat that I don't want to walk around with my hands.
Listen.
So my toe comes in handy.
It's essential. I don't care who you are to have an extra pair of a flat, a sandal, a sneaker, like a Van that can fit in a tote in case you've been out. Because after brunch, you're brunching, then you're going to go get some drinks, then you're going to go to a day party. By the time 8 o'clock hits, your feet is killing.
Right. No reason to call the party off early and no reason to be walking around with your shoes off. Okay?
And you cannot sneak a flat into a clutch. Yeah. Unless it's a really big clutch. Yeah. So that's what a
nice cute tote.
Perfect. Okay.
What about you, Key?
So I love a good pop of color sandal heel.
I can see that.
Because I'm not really into wearing that much color. Like if you know me, which you guys don't yet, but you will, I am to blacks, white, grays. Yep. I'll throw in a red and I'll throw in an olive. Yeah. But I'm not really into a whole bunch of color. But I love doing pops of colors in other places. So like my accessories. So I love a good sandal heel. It goes with shorts, jeans, T-shirts, everything.
Yeah, you can throw a nice, especially if it's a sandal platform, you good to go.
Exactly. And so I love a good pop of color sandal.
Agreed. Definitely agreed.
Okay. Number 2 for you.
Number 2 for me. I like me a nice denim jacket.
Yes.
I love a denim jacket. Throw on a white tank top in your denim jacket.
Throw on anything in a denim jacket.
You're good to go. In your tote or your platform heels, you're good to go. Like, it completes an outfit. You need a layering piece. You never know with the spring weather. It can rain. It can be a little windy. It's not always warm, right? We're transitioning into summertime. So you need something to go over your shoulders. This is that pneumonia weather that we talk about.
Exactly. So when you get in that weird transitional period between winter and spring where it's cold in the morning, but then it's hot during the day, then cold again at night. A denim jacket is a great lightweight layering piece to use to kind of combat that very, weird weather. Iffy weather. Exactly.
While completing your look.
While completing. I like that. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. So for me, an oversized graphic tee. What exactly Tan has on right now, you have an oversized graphic tee. I love to turn a large t-shirt into an outfit. Like that is my signature style, like a oversized graphic tee, a leather jacket, a pair of sandal heels, love. But what I like about it is I can throw on sneakers. I can throw on a platform heel. I can throw on a knee boot, like jeans. You want to? You can pretty much wear a graphic tee with anything. And what I like about it is it's kind of like I'm throwing it on, but I'm still serving a look at the same time. I'm not trying too hard, but you see me though. You know what I'm saying?
They're not graphic.
You see me. So I love a graphic tee, and they're so into style.
And then you get them everywhere.
With those tips, don't shop, do eBay.
Yeah.
eBay has graphic tees for like $7.
Yep. You know who else has graphic tees?
Walmart does. The men's section.
You good to go.
Exactly. Okay. Number 3 for you.
Number 3 for me, I would have to say, is a basic white t-shirt. I love, especially it could be oversized. It could be, a distressed white t-shirt. Something that's just plain white with some cute distressed denim. Those platform heels. Grab your toe, you're good to go. Even if it's just the plainest, most basic white tee, throw on a cute little lightweight scarf, a nice hoop, and you're out for the day. Really cute summer your spring look. I feel
you actually just build an outfit for them.
Yeah, I just build an outfit.
So you have a denim jacket, a basic white tee, a pop of color tote, throw on another denim pair of jeans or some black jeans, maybe throw in my sandal heels. We're dressing, y'all.
Yeah, you're ready to go.
You're ready to go.
Throw your flats, your backup flats, in your toe. Okay?
And it's very funny because my number 3 is denim jacket too. I love a good denim jacket. Me and my best friend are constantly buying denim jackets. catch Levi when they're having a good sale. Yep. You can get one of those very traditional trucker Levi jackets for $20. I got one before, and I love adding like patches to it. You can get a lot of patches from Amazon. Yeah. So you can kind of mix it up and stuff, and you can
cut it
do something
up,
different.
bleach it up.
When we went to Coachella last year, we put our names on the back of our denim jackets. Yes. We have a whole bunch of like pins and stuff, so you can be really playful. Yeah. With your denim jacket. You can make it a thing,
like have a denim party. Just bring in denim, denim, cut it up.
A denim party.
A denim party. Let's get our looks together and just cut, distress, and put things together. Like
it'll be fun. I came over your house.
We were ironing on letters, but we look so cute. It looks so cute. Yes. And you know, you put your own style into it. You know, yours won't look like the next person. But it's your jacket, and I still have my jacket to this day.
I wear it all the time, even though it says Coachella on it. I wear it all the time. And you also can get denim jackets from the thrift store if you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money in a department store. Thrift stores usually always have oversized denim jackets. So if you check the men's section, you can get a pretty good looking denim jacket for like $12.
I agree.
It's a steal.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so now let's get into what we recommend you should have in your closet for your 3 major spring looks.
Right. So according to InStyle.com, their top look, which is also my top look, I think you need a statement piece. So a statement necklace, like a really to go with that white t-shirt I was talking about. A statement necklace just to top off your outfit, bring it all together, throw some cute studs. You know, make that your piece for your outfit. And where can I get that from? I know you guys are like, oh my gosh,
Aldo Accessories, my favorite place to shop,
and they always have a sale.
They always have a sale. So if you go to Aldo and you see a statement necklace, like I really want that, but I don't want to spend $30 on it, give it a couple weeks because they usually have 50% off of their sale price.
On top of their sale price.
On top of their sale price in the store. I always go to Aldo Accessories when I go into the mall.
I do too.
I get all of my chokers there. I'm more of a choker person when I'm going out and more of a statement necklace when I'm at work to my 9 to 5. Right. But I get a lot of my Aldo accessories. I mean, a lot of my pieces from Aldo Accessories.
Yeah, I do too. Agree. And you know what else you can get from Aldo Accessories?
What? Your tote. Yes, you can.
Okay. You can go from big hoops to the smallest, cutest studs. Like, just grab all of your statement pieces there. There's no reason to look anywhere else.
Also, which you learned on the weekend, I'm going to plug my mother because, Mommy, I love you. My mom sells jewelry for paparazzi, and I get a lot of my necklaces from paparazzi.
She has some cute pieces.
And all the jewelry is $5. Hello. So if you know anyone who sells paparazzi, hit them up because they have really cute, chunky statement necklaces for $5, so you can get like 5 or 6 of them and just rack up just for the season.
Just for the season.
Exactly. Okay, so number 2 we recommend is pattern platform.
Yes.
I love a platform.
I get so excited when I think about patterns, and then you put them with platforms, and it's like heaven. I just like it.
I just bought a black pair of platform heels because I don't do too much patterns, but I love a platform heel.
They're so cute.
And it can really change your outfit. So if you have on like a basic white jumper and you throw on a pattern platform heel with a very bright color, that's a spring style easily.
Ready to go. Another thing about platforms is they are comfortable.
So comfortable.
They are so comfortable. You don't have to worry about your feet hurting so much. They give you that foundation.
It gives you that.
And that heel is so much more thicker than your basic stiletto. Like you are good to go.
Exactly.
You might not even need to pack up your backup.
You won't need one. So for me, I do love a sandal heel, but sandal heels have that very skinny heel, and it does start to hurt over time. Where the platform heel is a lot more sturdier.
Definitely.
And it's going to give you a lot more
room
to walk around. Exactly. And so you can find them at like Steve Madden. Steve Madden loves a platform heel.
You know where else?
Where?
Lola Boutique.
I never shop there, but
I always. First of all, their packaging is so cute.
Oh my gosh. Packaging.
But the shoes are true to size. They're so
which is important.
That's very, very, very
which is important.
And they're comfortable. Like most of their shoes are all the shoes that I've bought from there are so comfortable. Perfect. And they have a pattern and then another pattern, like a variety of patterns. Like that's what I need.
Yeah.
So
okay. All right, Tan. So what's our last? What is the last thing we recommend that they have in their closet for their spring looks?
You need your white statement tee.
Oh.
What I mean is you need your basic white tee that has your statement on it. Pound sign, black girl magic.
Yes.
Pound sign, feminine.
Yes.
Like you need it. And where can I go get one of those?
You can go to ASOS. ASOS has a ton of them. We're in an age where your political voice can be spoken in so many different ways.
Yes.
Whether it's social media, whether it's music, whether it's the looks that you serve, on the runway that we call walking down the street,
right,
you can really give a voice to your political mindset, and a fun way to do that is with those statements.
ASOS has them like more. I bought one that says feminist on it, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And people walking in like, why are you wearing that shirt? And it gives me the reason to say,
it makes the conversation starter. So some that say melanin on it, you know, Black Girl Magic. It's just a fun way to really give a voice and personality to your look. And I love a good white base. It's a basic tee, but with a little flair.
It's a clean look. It's very
clean. It's a clean look. So those are things that we are going to have in our closet. And those are things that we recommend that you have in your closet. But if there are any other suggestions that maybe we didn't touch, comment below. Comment below. Let us know, or even give other people and other viewers tips of where they can go to get their white statement tees or their chunky necklaces or any of those things.
Because I'm always looking to expand my spring essentials.
Always. And let's just make sure together that we get our spring looks on point. Make sure you're subscribing if this is the first time you're watching, which it should be because this is our first show. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll have all the details of all the things that we talked about below in the comment section. All right, we'll see you guys next time.